We'd heard great things about Raleigh Dental Arts. One of our dear friends works here, and she recommended being seen for my clenching at night, and she recommended this mouth guard that Dr. A and Raleigh Dental Arts provides.
Realized I was suffering from sleep apnea, not breathing well during the night, snoring a lot. She let me know also that was a struggle. It was waking her up quite a bit. So when I came into Raleigh Dental Arts and worked with Liz, she was really able to quickly figure out exactly what I needed. She set me up with a mouth appliance, helped me adjust it over time, and now the snoring is gone and we're both sleeping well at night.
Much better. So since Brian has had his mouth guard, my sleep has increased much better. I feel more restful. There are zero interruptions as far as on his end. Our dog still wakes me up in the middle of the night, but Brian seems to be resting better, therefore I feel better knowing that he's sleeping throughout the night, and the snoring obviously is not in the way either for me.